Gonna be changing the oil in this beast. Old second quarts. I'm replace the air filter. I gotta take the drain plug out. Alrighty. Got an extra thing of oil. Unless it's just been used for adding a quart into something. It's got quite a bit left. Going to dump maybe a quart and a half, possibly 2 quarts down here and flush what extra remaining sludge and crap I can out. Well, no, it's not really sludge, it's just really black oil. I mean, you know something, don't buy something brand new. You get it with, I don't know, 120, 30,000 miles. You don't know how the hell somebody took care of something before you. Just give it a big gulp of oil. Try to rinse all the contaminants that's left in there out. It ain't running out yet. Oh, there it goes. No, all other vehicles are running Pennzoil. Says 5W20 online. Says up until 2003, I think they said to run 5W30, but then it changed to 5W20. So this might say to run 5W30, but they ended up changing it. All the V-10s are the same anyway, so that means it should be running 5W30. That just means it ain't even that big of a difference, it's just a little bit of a higher viscosity. It just says that down there. Try to keep any bugs and contaminants and crap out. And I'll take this. I will wipe the drain plug off. Tighten it back up. You do not put the arm of God on these plugs. You get it till it's snug, and then you give it another, I don't know, maybe a third, a quarter, possibly even a half a turn. Well, I think I'm gonna go get some Teflon tape and put it on the threads of this. I can tell that it's had some on it before. Any type of fitting where there's any fluids are involved, like plumbing in your house, hydraulic lines, water lines, You want to use Teflon tape on the threads. I know there's going to be some Teflon stuff in here. I know there is. Here we go. I want this to be even, so I'm going to cut. Show you a trick if you have trouble getting something to cut really clean. Set that right like that. I'll show you a trick. Get something like a little piece of wood, like this right here. You set this right along the edge of it. Then just take this like this. Don't ask me why that works, it just does. Make sure these threads are clean again. There's some light. By the way, you don't have to use a piece of wood. You can use a, well, here's this right here. Piece of metal. Here's a flat file. This is a very dull knife, or it would work perfect. A dull knife blade. Put that on there. Snap that back together. This has plumber's tape. It's Teflon tape, same damn thing. Yeah, remind you ain't gonna get every last drop of this oil out, especially if you're not even on flat ground. I'm on a slight incline, so oh, that's perfect amount of tape. Same. Let me take a shading off of that tape off just to be safe. You know what I might do? Yeah, I think it's good enough. Come on, baby, you're just screwing in there. Oh, there you go. I'll get that one more. That's good. But I don't use the old oil. I use the new oil because I am very particular about taking any type of dumb chances with the longevity of my engines. Oh, fuck me. That was close. You will take the filter and this oil here. Well, not this oil, whatever oil you're using. Changing your oil, doesn't matter if you use the cheapest piece of shit oil, it's going to be better for you than not doing it at all. And there's a little bit in the cap, that's why I shake it and it goes up in the cap, and just enough sticks in there that you take it, you wipe it around the ring of this, the seal on this new filter. And just as important as this, your old filters that you take off, you have to make sure this gasket here came off with the old one. Because that old one stuck up on there, and I've seen it happen with my own eyes. It took a long time, but I've eventually seen it. If this doesn't come off and you screw this one up on top of that, that thing's gonna leak like a sieve, and you're gonna blow your engine 2 miles down the road. This oil now is fucking $20-some at Walmart. Oil. Penn's oil 5W20.
Got high mileage?
Yeah, platinum high mileage.
Yeah, that's why if you get regular oil, it's only 17.
That's what I thought, but I couldn't find it.
Yeah, because they're sold out.
But this is high mileage anyway, so. Yeah.
Almost say you better be better off waiting until the week to go around there. You get in the park and see if they
Yeah, then I'll be fucked on to work. You think I can change that entire PTO shaft over? Think I can change that entire PTO shaft over? You know where you unbolt it off the machine and take the whole entire shaft, not just one half, both halves, and then put a whole new set on it. Here's my bag of shit that was in the back of the fucking truck. I found it. You have to get one of these for your car. But that's the only reason I paid $6-7 for that thing, because that fucking thing works. I'm about to do it, I'll show you. Yeah, this is platinum high mileage. I'm running platinum, high mileage, full synthetic in this truck.